If you end your videos with smash that subscribe button, you are destroying your channel. Give me 4 minutes, and I will show you the secret data, the insane mindset shift, and the exact words that will make people beg to subscribe. Stop begging. Start getting binge watchers instead. A leaked YouTube report showed that generic subscribe asks literally kill your retention, cutting it by 12 to 18% in the first 30 seconds. It also destroys your watch time by 7%. People can smell a sales pitch from a mile away. The algorithm sees them leave, and it buries your next video. When every creator uses the exact same script, you all become background noise. Nothing shows you have zero confidence like begging for a sub 20 seconds into your video. Making your thumbnail brighter won't save you. The algorithm punishes predictable interruption. Imagine this: a new viewer lands on your channel. You give them an amazing tip, and then immediately go, "So subscribe." You just turned their excitement into a transaction. You pulled them out of the action and put them in a checkout line. You wouldn't ask someone to marry you on the first date, so why do it here? You are training them to tune you out, just like terrible banner ads. People subscribe when they are hooked, not when you annoy them. Here's the twist. The subscription is not the most valuable action. The next click is. Watch time is the only language the algorithm speaks. Getting viewers to watch another video is how you build a career. The biggest creators end with a specific useful next step. Watch this next video to see. Or grab the free checklist, then binge the playlist. The ask is specific, unbelievably useful, and 100% for the viewer. That's the mentality we need. Not begging, but guiding. Here are 5 steps that replace begging with binge building. Step 1. Earn the ask. Give them a quick win. An insane stat, a secret, a mini transformation, before you mention subscribe. Step 2. Swap your plea for a benefit. Tell them exactly what subscribing delivers for them. Step 3. Use a simple visual that doesn't scream. Small, informative graphics keep momentum without annoyance. Step 4. Turn your end screens into binge traps. Link a playlist of 3 more videos on the exact topic. Step 5. If you have a business, capture email with a freebie. Then inside the email, you can ask them to subscribe. No pressure, big value. Earn the ask, sell the benefit, be subtle, bait the binge, and collect emails. By the way, if this is making sense, the video on the right shows the email funnel I use to turn first-time viewers into $500 clients. Jillian Perkins ends videos by saying, "Now watch my upload schedule video," and her session time is insane. Mr. Beast waits until something big happens, then drops a fast, playful ask. Timed, unexpected, effective. Vanessa Lau gives away insane value, then asks for a comment to trigger DMs. Engagement booms and subscribers follow. Pattern =, specific, useful after value. Stop training people to ignore you. Deliver insane value. Wait for them to lean in, then guide them to the next video. Tap the video on the screen now. I'll see you there.